Okay, hi. Income and substitution effects for perfect goods. So we use a Slutsky equation. It explains us effects in price of asset when it goes up or down. In this example, I am going to explain it with substitute perfect goods. In this case, a Slutsky equation is total effect equals rent effect plus substitution effect. So, example. My friend likes to drink tea, but she doesn't have tea. She, she'd rather drink water. So we have utility is T of the tea, W of water equals AT plus 10W. The price of tea is equals to price of water is equals 4. Rent is equals to 10. So we need to use marginal utility in T of water and water. So in this case, marginal utility T is A and marginal utility water is 10. So it's A divided 10. Now we need price of T divided price of water. In this case is 2 divided 4. Now also we need to compare it marginal utility with prices. In this case, marginal utility is greater than prices. So, 8 divided 10 is greater than 2 divided 4. Furthermore, W is equals O. Now, we need to price of T multiply T plus price water multiply water equals rent. In this equation we use this because get the T. In this case T equals rent divided price of T. In this case is T divided 2 equals 5. Now price of water goes up to 5. Price of T divided price of water change. In this case 2 divided 4. Marginal utility is greater than prices. Furthermore, W is equals O. Now price of T multiply T plus price of water multiply water equal rent is the same as T equals rent divide price of T. 10 divided 2 is equals 5. Is the same when the price of water was 4. Is the same. Now we need to subtract T2 and T1. In this case, T2 is this and T1 and T2 is this. In this case 5 subtract 5 is equals O. Now we need to get the new rent. In this case, price of T multiply T plus price of water multiply water equal a rent. Now rent is equals 2 multiply 5 price of T multiply T plus 5 new price multiply O. W is O equals 10. Now T equals rent W price of T. In this case, rent is the new rent, in this case 10. And T equals 10 divided 2 is 5. Now, substitution effect equals and T1 and T2. T2 subtract T1. T2 and T1. In this case, 5 subtract 5 is equals O. Now, Total effect is equals rent effect plus substitution effect. Total effect is equals O, and substitution effect is equals 0 or O. In this case, rent effect is equals 0 or O. It's the same. Now the graphic. And those are the tabulation. In this case, the black straight line is the utility. In this example, utility is equals 18. Now, we have two moments. In first moment, when the price of water was 4, and second moment, price of water goes up 5. Now, in first moment, T equals 5 is the same W equals O in the blue straight line, and T equals 0, W equals 2.5 blue straight line. In the second moment, yellow straight line, W equals 0 is T equals 5. In this case, W equals 2 is the T equals 0. And the T equals 5, W equals 0 in first and second moment is the same as rent divided price of T. Now, in this case, is right because the first and second moment is under of utility. For example, if the first or second moment outside of utility, the customer will not the products or assets. Thank you.